Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a quick little review on the best skin ever. I was at Sephora and I got shade match for this foundation. I have tried it out about 3 times before actually doing this video. All 3 times I felt like it was just a hair too light for me. And what I mean by that is if you've ever used a sunscreen and that sunscreen gave you that white cast, that's what I felt like. I just felt like it gave me a light cast, lighter than my actual skin tone. But that's neither here nor there. I'll let you guys get into the video and see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be all up in y'all grill today for this one. Nah. Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight into it. So I'm gonna start off with what I always start off with, which is the Danessa Myricks Universal. Yummy Universal. Child, what is it, girl? Get it together. Get your words together. Y'all know what it is. This is a blurring balm, right? But it does have a smell to it, right? I don't know what it is. I should probably look it up, but it does have a smell to it. If you guys have used this before, y'all let me know what y'all think the scent is, okay? They used a little machine to do the skin match. It matched me to a neutral shade. Honey, I don't think neutral for me. So actually, I'm thinking about mixing it with my Morphe. I just want to see what it does. I don't know. Why not? You got them both? Try them both. Mix them both. This is the best skin ever from Sephora, and it's the shade 55 Neutral. And then, of course, I have my Morphe, which is the 37 Rich. What I'm going to do is mix them, and I want y'all to tell me y'all's opinion. Neutral. What y'all think? I'm gonna put the other one right next to it so we can just see. We can just compare them right next to one another. What y'all thinking? Remember, it is supposed to blend in with your skin. Kids, do not try this at home. That is it blended with without the other one with it. So I think it kind of leaves me a little bit white, like a white cast. A little too light. Y'all, this is future me. I did start to edit my previous video and there were some things that I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know in that video, and it's good footage in that video, so I don't want to just totally disregard what I was doing and what I was saying in that video. As far as I had gotten was to show you guys the two different types of foundation that I had mixed together, which was the best skin ever in the 55 Neutral and then the Morphe 37 which is Rich. What I should have done was just show you guys the best skin ever all by itself. That's the foundation that I wanted to show you guys because I had already shown you the Morphe one in a previous video. So I don't know what was going through my mind when I did that. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Now let me tell you about the foundation because that's one thing I didn't tell you. Now this foundation is medium coverage. It does have a natural finish and it does wear for up to 12 hours. It does have some skin benefits in it, which is that it has hyaluronic acid, which a lot of foundations these days are saying they have that in it. It does have red algae extract, which hydrates your skin. And it also has brown algae extract, which provides an anti-pollution protective shield. Things that you need to know about this foundation is it's supposed to be skin-like. When I reviewed the e.l.f. foundation, that one was real skin-like. This one should be something like that, except for this one is medium coverage. That one was more so really sheer. This one is medium coverage. So I'm just going to take one pump and I'm going to put it on my little glass shield here. Oh, but before I do that, I don't know how I missed this because it's very important, right? This foundation is inexpensive. It is only $20. And I don't want to say that as if, you know, like $20 is not a lot of money for a foundation. Okay, don't get me wrong, but there are some really expensive foundations on the market. But for what this foundation can provide, it is one of the least expensive of what it does for your skin. Let me say it like that, okay? So y'all know I'm using the Danessa Myricks, and I spoke about this earlier in this video, or should I say, when I recorded the video on yesterday, I did talk about the Nessamyrix in that video as well. Okay, apply the foundation starting at the center of your face and blend out with the foundation brush. Focus on one area at a time and blend well. So that is exactly what we are going to do. For me personally, this looks like the shade of concealer that I use. So when I put it on, it looks really funny to me because I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, this is gonna be too bright. So when I went to Sephora and I was shade matched, they took pictures of my forehead, my neck, and the side of my cheek. Got my flat kabuki brush and I'm gonna blend it out just like they say, from the center outward. And also I did my makeup that night versus in daylight. I've been in my room because I have a big window right here, and I've been loving doing my makeup in this room window light. So that also might make a difference with me putting this on right now. But you guys tell me what you think so far. Like, my chin isn't done and my sides right here. So now I know at the end of the video, I do come back in and say I would go ahead and film me putting on just this foundation for you. So this will be the caveat to that because I'm doing it now. So you'll still see me say that at the end because it was pre-recorded. However, just know future me right here has already gone in and done it for you. So if you're using me as a point of reference, the shade that I'm putting on right now is 55N. I'm here for it. I'm here to try it. There's really no smell to it. When I'm determining if the coverage meets what the actual bottle says, I have two areas I look at, which is here. I have a mole there, and then I also have a mole here on my cheek. So I'll take a look at that after I apply my foundation to see if it says full coverage. I'll look to see if it covers that. Light to medium coverage, then yeah, not so much. I don't expect for it to cover that. This is medium coverage and a skin-like finish. Does it look like my skin to you guys? I think this looks very much so like skin. I can tell I have on foundation, but it is definitely not full coverage. I can tell it has skincare in it, to be honest with you, because I use hyaluronic acid. I use that in my skincare and it softens my skin. And in these areas that keeps me soft and moist, I like that. I do like that. The color is the only thing that we are concerned with. So check out my neck and check out from my neck to here. So y'all let me know, would you guys try this foundation? It neutralizes. Okay. And put the other one with it because, and this is mixing both of them. I'll come back and show you once I have everything on. Yeah, this one is in the shade Hazelnut. But like, I done stopped talking. I just started doing makeup. Oops, my bad. I was supposed to be holding a conversation, wasn't I? Okay, so I stopped even telling y'all what I was putting on. Oh, what a bad hostess I'm being. Cause I'm actually kind of in a rush because I'm trying to just hurry up and get this done. I put myself on a timer, see how fast I could get my makeup done, like in real life. Guess who's going to bake tonight? I am. I think because I saw my daughter baking, I want to go ahead and bake. See how this works for me. I'm getting older, so I don't typically do this. Looks very funny because I don't bake no more. People don't bake no more. All they do is this. Let's see where it takes us today. Let's see where baking takes us today. Let me grab something. Be right back. On my Morphe powder on top of where I put my contour, just to darken it up. And today I'm going a little darker than what I normally would go. I just want to see something. I'm trying to see if baking and then going a little bit darker on my contour will give me just a little more snatched, more, I don't know. Again, remember I told y'all I'm trying something. So I'm gonna take that same Morphe powder and I'm gonna go down where No, it's gonna work out, y'all. On the nose. We gonna see. This looks pretty dark on the nose. I'm probably gonna have to hammer this out with something else. I always go pretty light. I'm pretty light-handed with my products, so I never go too dark. And this time I'm trying to just put a little more in it. Put a little more in it, and see what happens. If I don't like it, guess what I can do? Wash it off. I don't gotta walk out the door like this. I'm trying all sorts of different things over here. This is the bronzer from the Morphe palette. Baby, this bacon might have me looking a little crusty, dusty, and busty. Oops, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm looking down at this doggone mirror. Blending those in so that it won't look so stark. This is still bronzer, but I'm just going in on the side, trying to definitely make sure that it don't look like it's one direct transition of dark to light. I can't really tell when I bake what it looks like. Oh Lord Jesus, y'all pray that this is right. Nah, y'all ain't gotta pray that it's right. We just gonna see. And if it ain't, guess what we gonna do? Wash our face. I think I baked long enough. I haven't baked in so long. Baking is like, I hope I ain't setting under my eyes. Pushing the powder in, y'all. I'm just pushing it in. And now I'm gonna brush it off. I'm sorry if my pole is shaking. I'm a little kind of halfway slightly nervous. Especially on his nose. Big reveal. We all seeing it here first together. What y'all think? Is this something I need to start doing again, or nah, let that be? I can tell the difference. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at allowing it to bake. I think once I set my face, it's gonna actually look a little bit better than what it does. But I can definitely tell that I baked. Yeah, you can see the highlight and the contour. Like, you can see the differences now. Let me do my cheek contour, honey. Snatch that jawline. Set the smile lines. Another difference is I'm using a sponge, or I'm sorry, not a sponge. I'm using this little powder puff. Huda Beauty's powder smells so good. Like, man, it smells absolutely edible. Your face just smells delicious. Come on, y'all, you're still on a timer. That's right. Don't blame Mr. Charlie, 'cause Mr. Charlie is just the man and she. Do not forget your micro smooth. Do not forget your micro smooth. Cause I'm not. I have another micro smooth. It's a little bit darker. Ooh, ooh. These are some hard containers to open. Yeah, this one's just a little bit darker. So what I'm doing is taking the brush that I applied and I'm gonna put it like right above that line you saw me do, just to make sure my darkness is still there, but blend it in, soft, smooth. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see the depth coming back in. Just so once I spray everything, I can see my true colors shining through. Taking some blush from the same Morphe palette. Yes, you saw me put some on, but this is powder blush. Right on top of the cream blush area. Then it has a little shimmer in there. Put a little shimmery shim. A little shim shim. A little shim shim. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyelashes and my eye look. So all I have left is my eyebrows. And it's been almost an hour. Almost an hour. I wanted it to be less than that, but it is what it is. I'm about to tell Terrence to go ahead and come in here and start getting dressed. And he's gonna come in if he ain't asleep. Feels real weird. It feels like I'm doing my makeup all backwards. I definitely am normally a brow girl first, Because you gotta make sure them brows are snatched. And right now it feels really weird. Y'all pressuring me and stuff, you know. Ooh, ooh. The heat is on. Pressure is on. I couldn't the camera out because I had to hold my mirror a certain way in order for me to see. And then for y'all to see. So I don't be wanting to get in y'all way, but I'm gonna leave it on so y'all can just see what I'm doing. All I'm gonna do is blend this in a little bit better so that it won't look crazy like, you know. Take my favorite palettes from the Kitty Lady Cosmetics and go over. It was supposed to be just like a wing, no real eyeshadow look. But since I did this, I had to do something because I just felt like it was gonna look really, really weird walking out the door like that. And I'm just gonna show y'all my timer. An hour. Get under there, my eyes. I don't like for my under eye to look dry. Let that dry down while I go and get dressed, and then tutorial. I just want to get on camera, do some makeup with you guys, and just like chill. I mean, that's really what I want to see, what the best skin ever looked like versus the Morphe foundation. So I showed y'all that in the very beginning. Y'all let me know which one y'all liked. I'll probably insert a picture right here so y'all can see what I'm talking about, where I did use it all alone with pretty much the same products. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out. This does let me know you are interested in the content that I am putting out. If you leave me a content, if you leave me a comment, if you leave me a comment, I can make content built around that comment. If it's something that I actually do, you know, I don't want to try to promise anything that I can't do, basically. We're not here for that. We're here for the comparison between the two, the best skin ever and the Morphe. So, hey y'all, it's me from the beginning, at the end again. Checking in. How'd you guys feel? What you think? How'd you like the foundation? Did you like the way that I mixed it? Because once I put it on yet again, I couldn't go with just it by itself. I just still felt like it was just too light, and the cast just wasn't gonna work. But let me know your opinions and how you feel about the way I mixed it today. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I hope you do. I hope you like the way that I mixed it, and I hope that you come back for the next video. Or take a look at this one right here from MAC, because those products right there, baby, MAC products did not miss. All right, y'all have a good one. See you in the next one. Bye.